Hello guys, this is ROM Tips. Today I show you how to install tempered glass screen protector on your phone, iPhone or Android phone and ATK phone. Alright, let's go. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. First, clean hands and phone. Alright, and open package. Alright, unboxing and review. Okay, clean table. And open. Alright, delete all screen. Okay, screen delete. Open. Okay, and cleaning screen. Very nice cleaning screen. Check screen. Oh, okay, and check. And open new screen. Alright. Okay. And check. Yes, it's great. Okay, finish. Subscribe and give me a like this video.